everyone, Susie Bonwich here, second year MBA. Now, as you know, we're about to enter a semester we have never experienced before, but luckily our friends at Olin have put together these awesome welcome back kits for us. I'm going to take a moment to go through it just so that you guys know what to expect when you pick them up. Okay, first we have a WashU washable reusable mask. Now what I like about these is that they have adjustable straps so that you can make it nice and snug. They also have a nice band around the nose so that when you talk, it doesn't go below it. Because remember, with masks, we want to make sure that we're covering both our nose and our mouth. They also threw in these disposable masks. With these, I like to keep these in the glove compartment of my car or have one available in my backpack just in case I need one. Keeps them handy. Now, speaking of handy, they also have put in some hand sanitizer. Now, while hand sanitizer is not a substitute for washing hands, it is nice to have a pocket-sized one to put in your bag just so you have that extra security. Now, with hand sanitizer, you want to make sure it completely dries before touching something else. Smells nice and strong. Thank you for that. They also threw in some antibacterial wipes for wiping down surfaces before and after we use them. Have a nice citrus smell, almost like Fruit Loops. They threw in a thermometer for us so that we can do our daily screening. And then the Safe Touch key, which at first I thought was a bottle opener, but you can use it to open things, and also there's a stylus top there so that if you ever come across an iPad or a screen, you can use this instead of using your finger. And it's nice because it'll fit nice on a keychain. Now, in addition to these items, they've also thrown in awesome mementos for us, including some earbuds and a little bag for them so that we have them available to us when we're doing Zoom calls. This really nice Yeti tumbler for all the coffee and tea we expect to be drinking this semester. Card holder and badge reel, which I will be using because I often lose my card, so this will be really nice. And they also threw in this really nice WashU lunch tote for us. You'll also find a letter from the Olin staff, including a list of the items that I just went through. And that's it. Now, check your email for details about how to pick up these boxes. Olin, I just want to say thank you for putting these together. It's going to be a different semester, but with this, I'm feeling safe. So look forward to seeing all of you guys, whether virtually or in person. Stay safe out there. See ya.